you for stopping on by today. My name is Stacy. If you are new here, if you're returning, thank you so much. So I know that Ipsy, the customizations are going to be opening soon, and I thought that I would give a little input in my thoughts on what the refreshments line is all about. What is it? It is a membership of clean face and body products. So it's self-care essentials, they say, and it's 20 to 30% off the suggested retail price on the products. It is billed separately than your regular Ipsy membership. And if you want to give them a try, you can buy individual products without subscribing to it. They are cruelty-free, free of parabens and sulfates. So I have tried some of them. I haven't tried everything from the line. These were gifted to me through the Ipsy Open Studio. I do receive the Ipsy Glam Bags Plus as complimentary, and for a few months they have sent some of the refreshment products, which I greatly appreciate being able to try. The packaging of all of them have a similar vibe. They're like pastel colors, and they kind of have this design to them, and yeah, they all kind of have that same vibe, which personally I like the vibe. They offer a shampoo and conditioner, which is $30 for both. And the key ingredients, granted there's other ingredients, and if you're interested you can look on the website, but I just wanted to point out what they are highlighting, what ingredients. Sunflower seed oil is what gives hair moisture. It includes coconut oil, which helps give shine, and jojoba oil, which helps add long-lasting hydration. And I would love to know if you have tried any of these. This I have not tried, but I would like to. It is the Brilliant Body Bar and Coconut Colada. That just sounds like it would smell so good and be so great for summer. The cost of that one is $9, and that's for a 5-ounce bar. The ingredients, the key ones in that, is organic coconut oil, which is a natural cleanser that doesn't dry out your skin, and shea butter, which supports to soften your skin. The next item I have right here, I have used this. This is the Pearly Body Wash Citrus Spritz, and this is $14 for 10 fluid ounces, and it's about a little bit bigger than the size of my hand, just for reference. The star ingredients, as they say on here, is shea butter, which again helps soften your skin. Vitamin C, which helps prevent fine lines and helps with scars and dullness. And then olive oil, which is rich in antioxidants and vitamins A, D, E, and K, which help prevent against aging. And so they do have different scents on the site. Like I said, this is a citrus spritz, and it's not overpowering at all. It's just kind of like a light wash of like a citrusy, and it's not like it's just like orange or mango, or it's just kind of a combination, just overall light scent. So there is that. The Velvety Body Cream, I will put a picture up here. I have actually used all of mine, and that has a cost of $14 for 8 fluid ounce. What I remember about using the body cream is it did hydrate, but it wasn't greasy, and it blended in pretty quick. There's also cleansing wipes, and look at how cute the packaging is. Now I try not to use cleansing wipes a lot, but for when I'm swatching, or just to kind of quickly like clean up some eye makeup, I do like to have them on hand. This is $9 for 30 count, and the size of the wipes is 7 by 8 inches. And they are biodegradable. And the thing that I liked about these wipes is because some wipes do say that they're not safe to use around the eye area. And when I get wipes, that's, besides if I'm wiping off swatches off my arm, the eye area is where I like to use them at. So I was happy that these are safe for the eye area. The star ingredients in the wipes are argan oil, which it definitely helps heal and soothe skin. Love argan oil. Aloe vera juice, which I feel like you don't hear like aloe vera juice in a lot of things, but that helps with antibacterial properties. And we have, again, the sunflower seed oil, which again helps maintain hydration. Next thing, so like I said, I get Ipsy gifted. I don't purchase it, but I'm thinking about getting these because I have made the switch over to natural deodorant. I have tried quite a few different brands, and actually I really like the refreshment ones. So I've tried Refreshments, Body by Earth, I like that, and Schmidt's. Though, and some of the scents for type A, not all of them. Some of them weren't working for me, but some of them I did find that I liked. So I really am making the switch to that now. I know that some people have mentioned that they not only want the aluminum-free deodorant, but baking soda-free deodorant, which makes it a little bit harder to find those. Well, this one is baking free, or is free of baking soda. And just kind of a couple tips if you haven't made the switch. Like, if you try one and you get a rash or something, or it doesn't seem like it goes on Soothe, something to kind of keep in mind is sometimes, like I mentioned, there is ones that the scents I've noticed are a little different. Like the type A, the unscented, it kind of gave me a rash. But then the other one, now I forget the scent, it's in a purple, but that one didn't give me any problems. And with Beauty by Earth, the unscented didn't smooth on as easily and glided as the citrus, but the citrus had some essential oils in it. So just kind of keep that in mind when you're looking at it. And yes, it is a little bit different to make the switch. You know, they do talk about detoxing and stuff, because at first I did felt like I wasn't getting staying dry, but then it did eventually, it works. And once you make the switch, I feel like then there's no problem. But just, yeah, kind of play around with, the different brands, the different scents. But if you want one that is aluminum free and baking soda free, this brand is. And I have used all mine up that they had sent, so I need to decide if I'm going to purchase these or not. So they do have some different scents: eucalyptus julep, Pacific Fizz, lavender splash, and unscented. They are $12 for 2 fluid ounces. So some of the star ingredients of the deodorant are bergamot extract, which, by the way, I love how that scents when that's one of the notes in the fragrance. I like it. So that helps to control the odor throughout the day with its naturally deodorizing properties. We have aloe vera, which again helps with moisture and its properties. And to go along with the body cream, we have a hand cream, which again, I've used up all mine. This has a cost of $8 for 2 fluid ounce. There is multiple scents of this one as well. And like the body one, this did feel hydrating and moisturizing, but it wasn't greasy or anything. There didn't leave a residue or anything like that. I know sometimes, lotions can. And from what I remember, the scent wasn't real strong. I think I had citrus spritz, and it was nice, but not overpowering. So the other scents that they have is coconut colada. You can see a theme. Most of them, if you find one scent you like, most of the products seem like they have, you could get the whole line in that scent. Or unscented, or ginger splash. And you know what I like to do with lotions? Let me know if you've ever done this. It kind of feels weird, but if you put hand lotion on or lotion on your feet and then to put gloves on, or you could put Ziploc baggies or sandwich bags, or cotton socks, and then go to bed. And then it feels a little weird at first and kind of slimy, but then you do wake up. I have found that then your hands and feet are really soft. Have you ever done that? I've never tried those I've tried foot masks, but I've never tried the peeling ones. Have you? Those kind of, I don't know, they look interesting. Okay, next we have some pillow shave cream. And you can see I'm almost out of this. They have sent 2 of these that I've tried, and I like them. This is the Citrus Spritz scent, and it is $9 for 4.5 fluid ounce. And just a little tip, if you shave at the end of the shower, you know, with the warmth of the water and stuff, it gives your skin and hair a chance to soften. So just as an FYI. Now before, I don't know if I'm the only one or not, but I used disposable razors, and I never, maybe I should have, but I never really had a separate like shaving gel. Once in a while I would buy one, you know, here and there over the years, but most of the time, like, I just kind of used whatever like shower gel I had. Maybe that's wrong, I don't know. But yeah, I really like having a shaving gel now. I would say out of the things that I have tried, the top things that I would recommend from the line is the shaving gel, the razor, which I'm going to talk about, the deodorant. Like, those would be, if you would only want to pick a few things, those would be my top 3. Because this just made it, it's like a white pearlized kind of cream, and it just made it so, like, such a smooth shave that then I was like, how have I not been using shave cream all this time? Because yeah, it makes a difference. That one does have the shea butter and olive oil, but they also, in the shave one, has lemon fruit extract, which it says that lemons are known to brighten and even skin tone, help fading dark spots, and repair damage. Okay, if you have not tried, like, I don't know, I want to say a real razor. I mean, I know the other ones aren't fake, but you know, like one with the reusable cartridges. Wow, totally, I feel like, in my opinion, totally makes a difference. I don't know if you have the same experience, and I know that I probably should buy a different one to compare and see, like, is it just a regular, like this is a 5-blade razor, is it just that in general, or is like this one even better than other ones? So I don't know that fact, but I do know that, yeah, wow, no more disposable razors for me. What you get is you get the razor handle and then 2 of the cartridges, and this kit is a cost of $19. And now I haven't done this, but this is something that, it's like a 3M thing that you can then put onto your shower. So this is magnetic, and the back of this is metal, so you can put this on your shower and then, well, then it stays there. So that's how you can store it. And this does have a little bit, I mean, it's not real heavy, but a little bit of weight to it. They do have 3 different colors that you can get. There is a purple and yellow. This is the pink, kind of light pink color, or there's an orangish coral and aqua color. The handle of that is made in China. The blades are made in the US from imported materials. Oh, and I should look and see. So the other items that I have are made in the US. I will reach out to them because I forgot to ask if all of the items are made in the US, and I didn't see on the site. So I will reach out to Ipsy, and if I do get an answer by the time I edit and post this video, I will have it down in either the comments or the description box, or both. So I will do that. And then they have a couple other things. I have not tried these. They have a Radiant Micellar Water, which I feel like that packaging, I really want to try this because I feel like it just looks like a cute bottle. So that cost is $18 for 6.7 fluid ounces. It is a no rinse cleaner, and that is safe for your eye area as well. So key ingredients in the micellar water is hyaluronic acid, aloe vera again, and rose water, which rose water provides antioxidant support, it soothes, and it's hydrating. Ugh. And then the other item they have is a candle, and it's called It's a Vibe candle. It retails for $42. It says that it gives you 50 plus hours of burn, and there's 4 scents that you can choose from. It is a lead-free cotton wick and a reusable glass container. It's coconut wax, so it says it burns clear without smoke or soot. Okay, so our scents that we have is the citrus spritz, berry bouquet, spiced cedar, ooh, I bet that would be good too, and lush escape. Yeah, I would like to try any of those scents. I've never done that though, reused a candle container. I know a lot of people do, but have you ever done that? I really should do that, because why not, right? What is your favorite candle scent, or do you have a favorite one? I feel like that's a hard question. Mine would definitely depend on the season. Like in the fall, I like the woodsy, musky scents, and in the spring and summer, probably more like the berry. Florals are sometimes, but I go more towards like citrusy, berry, and then musky. So yeah. What's your favorite scent? And was this helpful? Had you been curious about the refreshments line? And if you have any questions, let me know and I will try to get an answer for you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, whenever and wherever you are that you're watching this. If you want to see some Ipsy unboxings, you can click on either of these videos, and I hope to see you back here. Thanks. Bye.